There is always a tug of war in our mind that should we buy a brand spanking new bike from our showroom or save some money and buy a second-hand bike from the dealership. So let me answer your questions. Hey guys, welcome to Motorwings. They will know the difference between a second-hand bike and a new bike, and also which bike is good for you. Coming to the topic, let's see the advantages and the disadvantages of buying a new bike. The first advantage of buying a new bike is the latest technology. You can get the best technology as per your specifications and you would not need to compromise on front. As a used bike, considering the speed of evolution in the technical field, you would not be defined to somewhat outdated. Second advantage of buying a new bike is warranty. A new bike with warranty covers all the malfunctions after you have bought the motorcycle. It offers a great peace of mind also. Third advantage of buying a new bike is performance. A new bike is expected to give better performance and has less chances of having breakdown, and you can hence plan a bike related expense without expecting any surprises. The fourth advantage of buying a new bike is you no need to have worries about the vehicle condition and how the previous owner kept it, but now you can create the history of a new first hand bike. Now let's see the disadvantages of buying a new motorcycle. First disadvantage of buying a new bike: great expenses. Brand new motorcycles with all their advantages do not turn out to be more expensive than the second hand bike. Second disadvantage of buying new bike is the insurance premium. Pay much higher premiums for a new bike in comparison to one of that which is a few years old. But very sad disadvantage of buying a new bike is depreciation, because new bike lose their value very quickly. The new bike today will be old technology tomorrow. Let's see the advantages and the disadvantages of buying a second-hand bike. The first advantage of buying a second-hand motorcycle is low expense. Purchasing a bike that added a few months in his life, helping you get a better price of the brand new model. Second point is the lower premium for insurance. Though the difference may be not huge, the age of the bike does reduce the value of insurance premium. Third advantage of buying a second-hand bike is choice of seller. You can buy a bike from a private seller as he would be able to give you the exact details of the vehicle history, but also you can buy it from a dealer. On the other hand, he would be able to fix all the problems might be present in the bike. One and only disadvantage of buying a second-hand bike is the vehicle history. You would never know the history of the vehicle if you buy from a dealer. It is best to get vehicle checked by authorized mechanic to confirm the specification of a vehicle. Second disadvantage of buying a second-hand bike is maintenance. An older bike costs more than it's come to maintain it. You also might need to spend unexpected repairs also. The valuation. Do not make an effort to find out whether the motorcycle is worth the money or that you are paying for it. You check the online resource as well as the showrooms to get better judgment. Let's see how much can you save in a second-hand bike 1 year old. For example, I bought my BMW GS310 on-road price of 3,20,941 rupees, including ex-showroom price, RTO and insurance. If I had bought a second-hand BMW GS310 of 2019 or 2020 registered, it would be around 2,80,000 to 3 lakh rupees, and in good times it should have also the accessories fitted by BMW and it would be free of course. So there would be around 20 to 40,000 of price depreciation of the bike, which is good. Depreciation rate is about 6 to 12% in a second-hand bike. If you get anything from this video, please comment down below what type of bike are you buying, a second-hand one or a new one. And also thank you for giving me valuable 4 minutes of your life, because time is very valuable. If you like this type of informative videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.